Hennessy on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip.
Rich, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. I'ma ride it all night.
Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing this Saweetie inspired jumbo rope twist hairstyle. To achieve it, I'm going to be using this authentic Be Easy pre-stretched crochet braiding hair. This is 26 inches long, and right now it's only $1.69 a pack on my favorite beauty supply, my favorite online beauty supply, which is SAMSBEAUTY.com. So I'm starting off with my hair that is looking rough. During this quarantine, I have been lazy with it, and I was finally fed up. So I was like, let me do something to my hair. I had washed it probably 2 to 3 days prior, so it is dry. I just twisted it up so it wouldn't get too tangled until I decided to do something with my life, which was this day. A couple of products I'm going to be using: the Second Nature hemp seed hair growth oil, and also this Bella Curls leave-in conditioner that you can get at a Dollar General, actually. So I'm starting off with a section of hair that I have parted off in the back, just straight across. As you can see, these are jumbo rope twists, so I'm doing a very large section of hair in the back of my head, straight across, and then I'm going to split that back section into 3, going straight down. So 3 boxes going straight down, as you can see right here. And I'm starting off with that middle section. I oiled the scalp with that Second Nature hemp seed hair growth oil, and then I just used the Bella Curls all over that back section and put some rubber bands on the base of each section. And then I completed the twist, went one section up and completed the twist again. And of course, I'm going to show you how I did the twist, but I just wanted to do this back section off camera because it is the most difficult to do and it's very hard to film. So I'm going to show you how I do it now. So I'm sectioning off a side section right here. And as you can see, I split that in 2, so that's going to be 2 of the jumbo rope twists right here. Once again, I'm taking that hair oil and moistening the parts. Then I'm taking the olive oil Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to use that all over the section very generously, just to smooth down the part that's on my actual head. And as you are going to be able to see, I'm going to use it to also moisten the hair all the way down to get it to mesh well with that braiding hair. So once again, I'm taking one of the small regular black rubber bands, and I'm going to secure the section of hair with that. Now I'm taking the braiding hair. As you can see, it is pre-stretched, which I showed you at the ends right there. That just means that the ends are not like blunt straight across. If they were, you would have to pull some of the braiding hair down. It's just an extra step that you don't have to do because it is pre-stretched. I am taking a third of each pack, so I split each pack into 3. So I only got 3 jumbo rope twists out of each pack. As you can see, I wrapped it around a third of the pack around the base of the rope twist that I'm doing, and I'm going to start to braid first. So I braid about 3 to 4 times down, and then I'm going to split my hair into 2 with the braiding hair, and then I'm just going to start to twist all the way down. I will have to moisten my real hair more as I go, and also brush it through or comb it through just to really make the braiding hair and my real hair mesh well together. You can also use edge control, but I didn't have enough edge control. And I do have a lot of real hair, so I would have had to use a lot of edge control, and I didn't have enough. So I just used the Eco Styler olive oil gel, and it worked good enough. So I'm moistening my hair once more with a spray bottle after I have added all of my hair products to my hair, like that Bella Curls leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to brush everything through, trying to make my hair as flat and as wet really as possible because I don't want it to be too dry because it will start to peek through. So I wrapped the braiding hair around the base of the rope twist, started to braid about 2 to 3 times down using my real hair as the third leg of the braid. Then I split my real hair in two with the other two pieces of the braiding hair, and then I'm just going to start to twist down. I will have to add more gel as needed, as you will see. If you need to add more water, do that too. Just make sure your hair is as meshed with the braiding hair as possible. Now I'm going to decorate these rope twists, some of them, just to accent them a bit. As you can see, I have a couple decorated right here, and I use the Magic Collection hair yarn, and I will show you how I did that later on in the video. But for now, I'm just going to show you a couple more times with no talking how I did these rope twists.
Delicious.
Okay, so I'm all done with the rope twist. So as you can see, I do have a little bit of my baby hairs left out. I did that on purpose. I'm just putting some of the Eco Styler gel on them and using my hair toothbrush just to make some swoops in the front. When Sweetie had this hairstyle, which I will insert right here, her edges were like, that's what really drew me to wanting to do this style, was literally her edges. Her edges were so snatched and they're so cute with the huge twist. I just really liked it. These twists were kind of difficult to do, and I will admit this is not perfect, but it did last for about a week, and I really liked it. So I am showing you how I do the hair yarn. I made a knot at the base of the rope twist, then I just wrapped it around the twist all the way down, and then I wrapped it all the way back up. And then once I meet the knot that I made at the base of the twist, again, I make another knot and then clip the rest of the excess yarn off. And I just did that randomly throughout the twist just to add a little bit of accent to the style, and that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this braiding hair, please check the description box below. And yeah, I did want to mention that I did dip the ends of these twists into a boiling hot pot of water and just drain the excess water off of them with a towel. That will really just seal the ends of the braiding hair so the twists do not come loose. And this is another style that I did with the twist on a different day, which is just putting them up, half down, the top part into a high bun. And I really like this style because it really reminds me of like a Grecian goddess or Cleopatra. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to hopefully see y'all in my next one. Bye-bye.